Hello, my esteemed viewers. How are you today? Hope you are doing great as I do. I just want to let you know that I am a Jolly Phonics trainer. I have trained teachers both nationally and internationally. Jolly Phonics was founded by Chris Jolly from the UK, and it is an easy and fun way of teaching literacy. Most of us, if we could have been taught using Jolly Phonics, we could not have been pronouncing a word like buffalo as buffalo. Anyway, let me carry on. It has 42 basic sounds, and it also has 5 main skills. The first skill is sound recognition. The second skill is sound formation. The third skill is blending. When I talk about blending, I mean putting the sounds together to read a word. The fourth skill is sounding, or rather segmenting. Segmenting is just sounding out a sound one by one for a learner to be able to write. The last and fifth skill is tricky word or sight words. These are words that are not phonetic. We can't blend them to read. Okay, today I'm going to take you through the first set of Jolly Phonics. I'll start with my first sound, which is this sound. And remember, when you are teaching these sounds, you should have visual prompts. You should have materials that will help you capture all the types of learners in a classroom. We know very well we have the visual learners, they have to see. We have the kinesthetic learners, they have to do, they have to touch things. We have the auditory, they have to listen, they have to hear what you are saying. And we have the reader-writer, they have to read and write. So make sure you have those things. Okay, my first sound is for snake. We use signs to help young learners to remember a sound. For snake. My second sound is for ant. My next sound is for tennis, as if you're watching a tennis game. So you go for tennis. After you've taught the third sound, you immediately start blending words. So a learner will be able to read a couple of words after going through the first set of Jolly Phonics sound. I would advise we rather use sound names than letter names at the beginning. So, for example, here I have the word the word is sat. The word is sat. So I'm putting one sound, another sound, and another sound together to form this word sat. And if I want them to write, I just tell them, can you write for me the word and they'll be able to come up with the word sat because they hear the sound, exact sound in that word. Okay, let me go to my next sound, which is sound puff, as if you're puffing out a candle. Puff. This is sound. Good. We can still read some more words, I can use now flashcards. For example, I have this one with words act. You can see the dots here is to count the number of sound in that word. For example, you can ask learners, how many sounds does the word sat have? You go together counting 1, 2, 3. 3 sounds. The word sat. I have another word here. Pat. Pat. Okay, very good. Now, let me go to my next sound, which is this one. We go like I, like Inky Mouse, the whiskers. I. Don't say I. Pin. Pit, not pin. Pit. No. It's a short vowel. We say I. It's sharp. I. We will learn a long vowel E later. Then I have this other sound which we go like for aeroplane. For aeroplane. For aeroplane. Net. Nip. So you can go use the same flashcards to put them together to form words. You can also use other flashcards like this one with the whole word. We have pa, I, pen. I, pa, nip. Pa, pat. Pa, pan. Okay, I think I'm done for today. Don't miss out to subscribe so that you cannot miss any part of my videos. We will be learning so many things. I've got so many things in store for us. Bye. See you there.